Hey guys, Ryan here again, Ride Tech Marine. Just wanted to show you today a little bit something that actually has nothing to do with anything I make or sell, but something us marine guys should definitely pay attention to is ethylene in your gasoline. I'm lucky enough to have a non-ethanol 87 octane station fairly close, within half an hour of me, so if I'm heading away on a trip, I'll always take jerry cans of fuel from that station. Everything else around me, 87, is all full of ethanol, 10% minimum, I guess, or to the maximum. So I always check my fuel. I just want to show you here how I do it. So all you do, you take a bottle of water, you make two marks on it. One up near the top, right there, and the other one, I actually screwed up and put two marks on it, but make the big mark right at the rib so you can tell easily where it is. So what you're going to do, you're going to empty your water bottle out until it's just level with that big line on the bottom. Then you're going to fill the gasoline up to the top mark. And then what you're going to do, you're going to land up shaking it a bunch of times and let it settle for a minute or so. And if it has ethanol in it, you will clearly be able to see the water on the bottom, ethanol, which could be up to half, 3/4 of an inch, and then the actual gasoline above it. So that's how you know when I go to my non-ethanol station, I always check just to make sure there's no water or anything in it. But you'll know if there is ethanol in it or not, and if there is, then you take measures with additives to solve your problem with having the ethanol in it. So I'm going to set the phone down for 1 minute, pour some gas into the jar or bottle, and we'll go from there. All right, so poured gas into it there. So what you're going to do, once you get it in, you're going to shake it really good. So mix her all up. Set her back down. And you'll be able to see here right now already, and the ethanol's still moving. It's already a good 1/4 inch above where a minute ago. Oh, now you can see the little ethanol droplets and water droplets running down. There's some bubbles and all that stuff. That's the actual ethanol. It's going to work its way down to the bottom. So let it sit for like 4 or 5 minutes, and you'll know if there is ethanol in there, and there definitely is. We're already 1/4 inch to 3/8 above, and it's probably going to change a little bit here, but that's just one quick little test that you can do to measure the gasoline. Make sure there's no ethanol in it if you're buying ethanol free, and always a good thing with the marine engines to run ethanol free if you have the chance. So that's what you do. So pretty easy there. It's clearly separating. It's 3/8 of an inch above already. So that clearly has gas, ethanol fuel in it. So I'm just going to empty this jerry can into my ATV or lawnmower and go fill up a bunch of tanks here. Just wanted to let you guys know about that. Have a good one. Thanks.